8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You might believe your mother's cooking is the best until you have tested something new. For years, MetaTrader 4 and 5 have been the trusted choice for traders, a familiar tool set they know inside out. But with cTrader's newer innovative features, enhanced charting, customizable API, and user-friendly design, it offers a fresh perspective that might just elevate the trading experience. Exploring cTrader doesn't replace what's familiar, it simply broadens the possibilities for a more refined approach to trading. This was the same case with me. I used MetaTrader 5, of course on Deriv, not knowing the potential behind cTrader. But what is cTrader? cTrader is a modern trading platform designed for Forex and CFD traders, offering advanced charting tools, fast order execution, and a highly customizable interface. Unlike older platforms, it focuses on an intuitive, user-friendly experience while giving traders deeper control over their strategies through features like an open AI for automation and strategy development. When it comes to Deriv cTrader, most traders have a perception that it's for copy trading. But it goes beyond that, as we are going to dive deeper into Deriv cTrader. Wait, did I mention Deriv cTrader? Oh yes. cTrader is one of the trading platforms where Deriv broker offers its products and services. However, cTrader, just like the MetaQuotes, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, partners with various financial markets brokers for trading services. What can be traded on Deriv cTrader platform? A whole lot of assets can be traded on Deriv cTrader, including Forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, derived indices or synthetic indices, commodities, among others. Enough of the talk, let's get back to the real business. When you open your cTrader application, this will be your interface. And now we want to begin from the bottom, which is our trade management panel. If I hover over to the bottom left, you will see your balance. For example, I'm using a demo account with a balance of $5,000. If there are no running trades, the equity will be equal to the balance, and then you will see the used and free margin here, the margin levels, the stop outs, and the net profit and loss. Here we have the settings, and if I click on it, you will find more other options to customize the trade management panel as you like. If I go here on positions, you will see the open trades you have. Like me, I don't have running trades. Then orders, whether I buy order or sell order. The history showing all the trades you have placed in the past. Then we have the price alerts option, which you can create here on this option, create price alert. And this option will pop up. Then you will fill in the details. For example, if you are waiting for price to reach a certain level so that you will decide on whether to buy or sell, you can input the price level here. Once price reaches there, you will be notified like via email or any other preferred method you choose. Once you are done, hit create alert. Then if we continue here, you will see the transactions you made, and that goes beyond the buy and sell trades, but also includes the deposits and withdrawals, copy trades, and the like. For example, the transaction reflected here on this demo account are the funds I allocated to copy trading. I made a video on that. I'm running a copy trading challenge using demo funds to find out best performing strategies to copy and gauging how much I can potentially be earning from copy trading. To those new to this concept of copy trading, it is a passive way of making money online, copying trades of expert, professional, and consistently profitable traders. So out of the $10,000 demo funds I had, I got a half of that, which is $5,000, and copied 5 strategies or traders, each allocating $1,000. That's why you can see 5 transactions with the withdrawals of each $1,000. The first strategy I copied was OBFX, the second Capital 2, the third was Pain Gain cTrader, Then fourth was Pepka, and the last one was R7, giving us a total of $5,000. And because I allocated half of my equity, the balance was $5,000 in my account. Then the other options on this same trade management panel is the journals and the Analytical. So entirely this is the trade management panel, right? So let's go to the right panel. The first option is the help center, not so important for now. Now here we have the general settings. Click on it and this window will pop up. Let's go through the important settings. On properties option is the trade account properties, which you can't change. Let's go to the email alerts. That is if you want to be receiving the trade alerts, including the price alerts I mentioned earlier, in your email inbox. You can apply the settings here. So let's go to the general settings. Here we have language. I'll leave it to English because that's the one I'm familiar with. Then the color theme, you can choose dark or light. If I choose light, you can see how the chart looks like. Okay, I'll leave it to dark mode. Then we have sounds. You can leave it on or off according to your preference. Let me leave it on, right? Then we have the interface. I'll leave it to default settings. Then previous account details in the top right corner. You can check this box to show account number if you want it to be visible, and uncheck if you don't want its visibility. The same goes for show account balance. Check it to remain visible and uncheck to hide the account balance, and the same applies for username. Right, let's continue. Take a tour of all settings features. If I go to charts, check and uncheck the boxes to see the changes on the background charts. Then market watch, the Analytical. We saw this one in the trade management panel. This is for those good at using trading bots. And if we look at plugins, well, let's leave it like that. Okay, let's go to quick trade settings. On single click option, that means you want to place trade orders by clicking once. Double click by clicking twice. Then disabled to remove the quick trade option. This part I will explain it later in detail. Then down below you have the option to set the stop loss, take profit, and even trail stop loss. Like when you open trades past the break even, then hit apply once you are done. Alright, if we go here, this is the withdraw section. Like if you are on a live account and you want to make a withdraw, this is the option. Then over here we have deposit option. Enter the amount and click on deposit. Analyze. Oh, no big deal. We go to cTrader Legal. cTrader Legal offers a new way of trading where you can use bots in your trading. You can start to create or upload your trading bots for free and effortless. Always online on any device, and this will automate your trading. Alright. There are different tutorials for this. I think I will make a different video for this section as well. This is the copy trading option, and when I click on it, you will see all the strategy providers. And if you want to find any strategy, for example, if you know him by name, you can use the search option to get him. Here you can see even the 5 traders I'm copying, like Capital 2 is here. By the way, this video was recorded a week ago from the date of publication. That means if you check on my videos uploaded 2 days ago, were the first recorded. And I'm saying this if you want to compare Capital 2 performance and all other strategy providers I'm copying, so that you can see whether their performance is improving or not. Additionally, another tip I can give you is to copy different traders and be withdrawing funds anytime you see some profits, like 10%, and leave the initial funds invested running. If you do this frequently, I'm sure it will accumulate over time. Alright, to expand the chart layout, click on this icon here and you can see, right? So to access the market watch, click on the 3 lines on the top left corner. Here you can see the assets you can trade, and if you don't find any of your choice, come here on all symbols and then type to search the symbol or assets you want. For example, you want volatility 50, type or search volatility 50 and it is here. Okay, if you want to add an asset to watch list, It's a matter of favoriting it and it will be added to the watch list. For example, if I want to add this volatility 10 to the watch list, I will click on this star and the option to create a new watch list will pop up. Do you want to create your own watch list? Then click on OK. If you are a fan of Euro USD, let me search it and I add it to the watch list as well. It's here, favorite it, and I add it to the watch list or my watch list. So every time I open cTrader platform, they will show up on my watch list. We are done with the right panel. Let's go to the top panel. If you click here, you can also get the option of pressing a new market order where you can enter the quantity or lot size, enter the stop loss and take profit. But I will show you a quick and easy way, as I promised earlier, using the quick trade option. Continuing over here, there are a whole lot of features and tools to use, like if you want multiple charts on the screen. Yes, you can as well squeeze the chart using this percentage slider. Also, the different types of charts can be found here, and you can customize them accordingly. If you want a line chart, bar chart, area chart, and the like, you can change it here. Then on this F icon, you can get any trading indicator you want, be the trend indicators, oscillators, volatility indicators, and you can search any indicator using the search bar. Let me search the moving average. Okay, you can see all the types of moving average are displayed, including the exponential and average moving average. Let me select the exponential moving average, and the option to customize the settings will show up or pop up. If I hover the cursor on the same moving average and right click, the option to customize its settings will pop up. Like here, I can change the period, the moving average thickness, and the like. The next icon after that of indicators is a C-bot again, followed by the next icon that will enable you to remove or hide all drawings or indicators on the chart in one click. Then we have the object manager, a cool feature to use while backtesting, especially if you want to track down your drawings and markups on a different time frame. This object manager can help you trace it easily without scrolling back for years. I think I'll show you later how to use it. There is also an option for you to delete drawings and the indicators on the chart. This eye icon is also where you can hide the drawings. For example, let me put the trend line and put some drawings on the chart, and then I can hide them by clicking here on the eye icon and click on it to see them again. If I want to delete them, hover your cursor on each of them or right click, and this option will pop up for you to delete. You can follow the same procedure to delete each drawing, but remember, if you prefer to delete them at once, there is an option for that as well, as we have just seen it. If you want to keep your analysis for the next day, week, month, or a year, then you can save that chart as a template here. Then there follows the time frames, and if I click on these last three dots, you can get any time frame of your choice, and that's the top panel. All right, let's go to the right panel. Let's first go through these analytical tools available here on this sidebar. The first one is the market replay tool. I made a whole video about this replay tool, and it's this one, right? Now it is a pleasure to announce this to my fellow synthetic indices traders and enthusiasts that you can now backtest synthetic indices like the boom and crash, volatility indices, step indices. I mentioned them on this cTrader platform. How cool is that? So if I click on it and drag the cursor towards the chart, then you will see this vertical line with the plus icon and something like forward arrow. So to start backtesting, take it where you want to begin from and click there. This will pop up, and if I click on start, it will load and redirect me to the new window or chart layout. My network is a bit slow, but while it is loading the chart, let me maximize this window here, right? Okay, you can see it has loaded and already started playing. If I go here at the top right corner, you have the option to reduce or increase the replay speed by sliding this back and forth respectively. Let's make it faster. Oh, it has finished. Let me first delete this moving average from the chart. Okay, the second tool is for price alerts. We talked about it earlier in a different panel. Let me first show you another way to squeeze and expand the chart. You can squeeze or zoom the chart by bringing your cursor down below. It will turn into a sided arrow. Slide it back and forth to get the best chart layout of your choice. To make it shorter or taller, move the cursor to the right side here on price figures as you move it up and down to get the best view or chart layout of your choice. If you bring the cursor on the chart screen and right click, all these options will pop up where you can create a new order, sell limit, buy stop limit, set price alert at bid price, set price alert at ask price, the symbol, which is the assets list for trading, duplicate chart, template, chart type, period, which time frames you may want. Then zoom option is also here, view options, indicators, object manager, color options where you can change the color for candles, background color. For example, here the background is in dark mode. You can change it to here to this color. If I click on dark or black color, you can see, right? You can also use the color code if you have. You can also use the color code if you have one in mind. You can change the foreground as well if you like. The grid, let me select red color to show you the grid lines. Okay, I can now set it back to its default color. If we go to period separators, let me turn the color to red for them to be visible. Okay, you can see now I can change it back to default. Next, we can customize or change the bullish candles for buyers and bearish candles for sellers to different colors here. Colors for both bullish and bearish candles include the candle outline, which is like the candle frame color, and candle fill, which is the internal candle body color. I prefer changing both candle outline and fill to the same color for better visibility. Like the bull color is green, I can change it to blue, and for bear, I can change it to black. Oh no, since the background color is black, let me leave it to red. Then the next feature is the background image. Yes, if you have an image you want to put on your charts, then you can add it from here. Like if you want to personalize your analyzed charts, you can add either your logo or selfie so that it becomes hard for someone to claim ownership of someone's setups, more especially on social media platforms in such trading groups. Back to this side panel, tools section. Here you can take a snapshot of your chart, and if I click there and move the cursor on the chart, that blink shows the snapshot or screenshot has been taken or captured and will be automatically saved in your folders. We move on to this. This is again a tool set for colors. Then this T icon for text, like if you want to write something on the chart, like I can write my name on the chart. Then right click and delete once I no longer need it. I can as well show my entry point using text, like this is my entry, and can pull the arrow to point to the entry. And here are more other analytical tools like the up and down arrow, the stars, the triangle. If I go up here, you can get the rectangle tool, and you can fill it here, and you can as well unfill it. You can increase the boundary line thickness here. You can make the rectangle lines dotted, and if you want it to remain in one place, maybe you don't want it to be misplaced mistakenly, you can lock it as well. Then unlock it if you want to make some adjustments. Let me delete it. We have here the eclipse. It can enable you highlight a particular area of your choice. You can fill it, lock, or even duplicate to get another eclipse in one click. Next, we have the Fibonacci tool here. You can drag it to the highs and lows of swing points as you like. Next, if we go up here, you can get the trend lines, horizontal, vertical lines, and arrows. Then the snapshot again. You can also get the crosshair line that resembles a long cross, and you can use it to measure the pip range from this endpoint to here by clicking and dragging the cursor to anywhere you want. Then here we have the cursor, and that's it for this analytical toolset. Then let's go to this area. This is where you will find the active trade panel, like the selected asset in the top left panel is also reflected here. And that is boom 500. If you want, you can change it from this panel. Any asset you want to trade, you can access it here. Let's say volatility 75. It will load. If you want to remove this window, just click here on 3 bars and it will disappear. And you can see volatility 75 is also reflected here. If I want to have a new order, you can see the real market sell price and buy price options are here. If I want to place the trade with instant market execution, I will just enter the market here, and you can see the position is open on the chart. And if I want to close the trade, I will drag the cursor towards this entry line, and these options will pop up. And I will click on X to cancel the trade, although it is still in a loss. However, you should always be vigilant of the lot size or quantity used, otherwise you may blow your account mistakenly. Like this volatility 75 by default was on 1 lot size, and that's too huge for any account. For small accounts, consider using minimum lot sizes. And still here you have options to input the stop loss and take profit, showing you how much you are risking in pips and dollars as well. You can also trade the stop loss to either break even or break even plus once your trade runs into profits, even when you are not on the charts at the moment. Then you have the limit orders option, that is the sell limit and buy limit orders. Then still you can select this box for stop loss, input the figures for your stop loss. So let me show you what I mean. If your entry is here and your stop loss is here, right? You can read the figures. This is 7,000. You can then come here and fill in the stop loss figure, all right? Then do the same for TP or take profit. Select the box for TP and come on the chart. Like if your TP is here, the figure is 1111 5138. Then once you are done, go ahead and place the trade. Did I change the lot size? Oh, you come here and change the lot size. Let me use 0.01, then I buy. All right. If I scroll on the left side panel, there is another feature for news. Yeah, this is one of cTrader's coolest feature. Instead of using other websites to read the news like Forex Factory, investing.com and the like, cTrader incorporates the news feature here. Let me change the trading asset to currencies because volatility 75 is one of the derivative indices or synthetic indices not affected by the news. Okay, I have changed the asset to Euro USD, and this is the calendar. Let me go to the news section. Like on 28th October 2024, there was news about Euro USD and GBP USD, and you can go through the news before trading the currency pairs since they are affected by such news. Going over here, this is the quick trade option. Once again, these red and green lines below show the trader's sentiments regarding the directional bias of the pair reflected on the chart at the moment. That is the asset you have selected. and in this case Euro USD pair, where the red line implies seller sentiment and green line for bullish sentiment. For example, 32% of clients' accounts with open positions in this symbol expect the price to fall, which means the minority of traders think Euro USD will fall, and 68% of clients' accounts with open positions in this symbol expect price to rise, which means the majority of traders think price will rise. This sentiment can help you build up on your technical analysis and take the trade confidently. Like if you observe Euro USD chart, we are in an uptrend where the highs are being broken, and from the support level drawn, buyers left the zone with momentum. Price is currently rejecting this zone. Therefore, let me put a horizontal line for you to notice it, and is actually likely to continue higher. And the majority of traders think it will rise, okay? So in the middle of this quick trade lies an option to customize the lot size. If you input the lot size and this remains red, it means the lot size is wrong. Let me delete all the drawings here, okay? Remove all drawings or say yes. You can also delete one by one as you like. If you want to open another chart for the same asset, go to the top right corner, tap on this icon, and you can change the time frame of the new chart, which means you can watch Euro USD like on H1 or 1 hour, and another chart shows Euro USD on M30 or 30 minutes time frame. You can continue adding more charts here as you like. Now this third chart, I can change the time frame to H4, so you can see what is happening on H4, H1 and M30 at the same time. And you can drag and drop to bring the charts in order. Like let me drag M30 here and H1 be the next here, alright? Then you can as well delete them by clicking on this X icon on the top right corner of each chart and remain with the original chart. You may be wondering why this candlestick chart is different from the others. These are the changes I made amidst the tutorial. And if I want to save it as a template, you right click, go here on this option that says template, then save template. But I don't want to save it yet. I was just showing you how to do it. Now let me show you how to use the object manager feature as I promised you. If I want to backtest from this end, let me scroll through, pick the vertical line and bring it here, marking our starting point on this time frame. So if I happen to change the time frame to probably M30, the manual way to look for the vertical line marking is to scroll back, which may take time since we have changed to a lower time frame. Remember not to confuse the other vertical line with the period separators. So let me right click, come here to object manager, go here to drawings, because we have one so far, which is the vertical line, and so if I click on it, I will be taken to where it is and you can see it here on the chart, other than scrolling for years. This can be helpful when you are backtesting, let's say on daily time frame, and you want to shift to a 1 hour time frame. Can help you track your markings. So let me delete all the drawings here. Okay, let me get back to H1. I had entered a buy position, and if I want to protect the position with the advanced take profit and stop loss, hover the cursor here on your entry and you will see this first symbol here, and if I click on it, this option will pop up. You can see advanced take profit, and here you can set TP1, which is the take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, take profit 4 and 5 and more. Okay, on this right side, check the box to put the stop loss on your entries, and as well enable the trail stop loss feature if you like, so that we will move to break even when in profit. You can specify the movement range in pips. When should the stop loss be trailed to break even? For example, I have set it to 10 pips, which means if price goes in my favor or in profit, 10 pips, my stop loss will be trailed to break even. And you can change the pips as you like. Even here on TP or take profit, you can do it here. Like take profit 1 at 10 pips, take profit, TP2 20 pips, TP3 30 pips, TP4 40 pips, just like that as you like. And once you are done, click here on apply. Let me go to M5 or 5 minutes time frame and get back to quick trade. Let me change the lot size to 0.01. Like I said, if you input the lot size and this option remains red, that means it doesn't exist. You can see 0.01 as the minimum lot size for Euro USD as accepted. If you hover your cursor here, you will be shown all the details regarding your trade. If I want to set the limit orders, like in this case, I sell limit order, go on the sell option and drag the cursor and drop it where you want to enter the market from. Like I can drag and drop it here, then hover my cursor to this entry to set the stop loss by also dragging and dropping it here as my stop loss. And down below, I can drag the take profit as well and drop it here as my TP, right? And you can see the TP is $4.81, whereas the stop loss is negative $2.71. If you notice, the sell lines including the stop loss and TP are in red, and for the buy positions will be in green. So the same applies if I want to buy. I will drag and drop where I think price will activate or trigger my entry, hoping that after it's triggered, it will go up. I will again hover the cursor to my entry to set the stop loss, this time below my entry and TP above the entry. All these are positions I have opened using this quick and easy option. This sell option in the left or on the left is for instant market execution, and the buy is also here for instant market execution. Once again, if we click here, we can see the open positions. We can see the ones in profit and the losses. We can see the orders not yet triggered here, and then the history here, like the volatility 75 trade I pressed, and when your orders are filled, you will be notified. Like I'm remaining with only one order, and then the open positions are now 3. If I hover over these open positions here on the right, you notice we have these new symbols, right? The first one is the reverse symbol. If you want to reverse the trade direction, this is cool because I have never seen it on any trading platform, even MetaQuotes. Like if I was selling an asset and realize or think I was wrong, I can reverse the trade into a buy position. So the second symbol enables you to double the position. Let's say you are in profit and think it's likely to continue moving in your predicted direction, then you can double the position by clicking here. I had entered one lot size, now there are 2. Once you feel you no longer need the trade position open, you can click on this X icon to close it. Let me close these ones. Yeah, I can also close these ones here. Move the cursor here and go to this X icon to close it. Alright, congratulations for watching this far. You deserve an applause. And as a gift to you, I will give you a free Forex ebook to expand on your Forex knowledge. Just check the first comment to gain access to it, or get it from the description. Otherwise, subscribe to this channel if you found value in this video. Turn on the notification bell icon, like and share it with colleagues interested in financial markets trading. Even a good dancer has to leave the stage. Good luck.